ਹੈਲੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ, ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਕਲਾਸ 12 ਦੇ ਟਰਮ 2 ਦੇ 1 ਮਾਰਕਸ 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਐਂਡ 6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਲਾਸ 12 ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਟਰਮ 2 ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਟੋਟਲ 9 ਲੈਸਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਲਮੋਸਟ 50 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਆਏਗਾ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ 1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ 18 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਉਣਗੇ ਅਤੇ 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੈਸਨ ਨੰਬਰ 1, 2, 4, 5 ਅਤੇ 6 ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਉਣਗੇ। ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜੇਕਰ ਅਸੀਂ 6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ 6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੈਸਨ ਨੰਬਰ 3 ਤੇ ਲੈਸਨ ਨੰਬਰ 7 ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਉਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਕੁੱਲ ਮਿਲਾ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਨੰਬਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ 18 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਉਣਗੇ, 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ 4 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਅਤੇ 6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ 2 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਉਣਗੇ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕੁੱਲ 12 ਅੰਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ 1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਡੈਸ਼ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਵਰਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸਰ ਸੌਫਟਵੇਅਰ ਅਤੇ ਇਹਦੀਆਂ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਹਨ MS ਵਿੰਡੋਜ਼, MS ਐਕਸਲ, MS ਪਾਵਰਪੁਆਇੰਟ, MS ਵਰਡ। ਸੋ ਦਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਆਂਸਰ ਹੈ MS ਵਰਡ ਇਜ਼ ਅ word processor software. So question number 2 to check spelling and grammar dash E is used and their options are Control plus F7, Alt plus F7, F7 the last which is called Shift plus F7. So the right answer is to check spelling and grammar F7 key is used. And third question dash option in MS Word changes the structure and layout of pages. And their options are format, print and print preview, page setup, and the last one is proofing. So the right answer is page setup option in MS Word changes the structure and layout of pages. Fourth question is dash is electronic spreadsheet software used for automated calculation. And their options are MS Windows, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Word. So the sahi answer is MS Excel is electronic spreadsheet software used for automated calculation. The fifth question is dash refers to changing the font, style, size, color, bold, italic, underline and other related parameters. That is the option is formatting, alignment, proofing, and the last one is filtering. And the right answer is formatting refers to changing the font, style, size, color, bold, italic, underline, and other related parameters. And the sixth question is which of the following statement is also called as conditional statement? And the options are for, break, if, and the last one is while. And the right answer is if statement is also called as conditional statement. And the seventh one is switch case is similar to dash statement, and their options are if else, if else if, break, and the last one is go to. And the right answer is switch case is similar to if else if statement. Eighth one is which statement can be used to terminate a case in switch statement, and their options are continue, go to, if, and the last one is break. And the right answer is break statement can be used to terminate a case in switch statement. And the ninth one is which of the following is an example of a post-test loop? And the options are for, while, do, while, and the last one is continue. And the right answer is do, while is an example of a post-test loop. And the 10th question is which of the following is not a jumping statement? And the options are while, continue, go to, and the last one is break. And the right answer is while is not a jumping statement. And the 11th one is a computer dash is a set of computers that are connected together. And their options are network, system, protocol, and the last one is internet. And the right answer is a computer network is a set of computers that are connected together. And the 12th question is a dash is basically a multi-port repeater. And their options are hub, switch, router, and the last one is bridge. And the right answer is a hub is basically a multi-port repeater. And the 13th question is a dash is a 2-port device, and their options are hub, switch, router, and the last one is bridge. And the right answer is a bridge is a 2-port device. And the 14th question is Wi-Fi stands for dash, and their options are wireless field, wireless fidelity, Wi-Fi, and the last one is wire fidelity. And the right answer is Wi-Fi stand for wireless fidelity. And the 15th question is a dash is a combination of bridge and router, and their options are switch, bridge, hub, and the last one is router. And the right answer is a router is a combination of a bridge and a router. And the 16th question is information technology is an area under which computer or other physical devices are used to create, dash, secure, and exchange electronic data. And the options are access, process, define, and the last one is save. And the right answer is information technology is an area under which computer or other physical devices are used to create, process, secure, and exchange electronic data. And the 17th question is, with the introduction of online education services, students can learn from anywhere using the dash, and the options are internet, electricity, 5G technology, and the last one is email. And the right answer is, with the introduction of online education services, students can learn from anywhere using the internet. And the 18th question is, Android operating system is a dash operating system, and their options are computer, mobile, technology, and the last one is virtual reality. And the right answer is Android operating system is a mobile operating system. And 19th question is, cloud computing is a kind of dash-based computing, and the options are big data, IoT, internet, and the last one is Bluetooth. And the right answer is cloud computing is a kind of internet-based computing. 20th question is, who brought the concept of AI? And the options are Victor Alice, Marvin Minsky, Alan Turing, and the last one is John McCarthy. And the right answer is John McCarthy brought the concept of AI. And the 21st question is, which type of AI focuses on single set of abilities and perform a particular task? And the options are super AI, narrow AI, general AI, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is narrow AI focuses on single set of abilities and perform a particular task. And 22nd question is, which one of AI type does not have memory for data storage? And the options are limited memory, reactive machines, things of mind, and the last one is self-awareness. And the right answer is reactive machine of AI type does not have memory for data storage. And 23rd question is, the conversion of natural language into computer understandable form is dash, and the options are intrusion detection, machine translation, identification, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is the conversion of natural language into computer understandable form is called machine translation. And 24th question is, the core of the expert system which by applying set of rules and draw the result of the user question is the function of dash, and the options are inference engine, knowledge base, user interface, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is the core of the expert system which by applying set of rules and draw the result of the user question is the function of inference engine. And the 25th question is, place where knowledge from the human expert is collected is called dash, and the options are domain expert, knowledge base, user, or all of these. And the right answer is the place where knowledge from the human expert is collected is called domain expert. And 26th question is, robot which provide help for analyzing the collected data are called dash, and the options are healthcare robot, domestic robot, military robot, and the last one is research robot. And the right answer is the robot which provide help for analyzing the collected data are called research robots. And 27th question is, dash is the process to convert information into computer readable form, and the options are e-learning, e-commerce, digitalization, and the last one is net banking. And the right answer is digitalization is the process to convert information into computer readable form. And 28th question is, dash is mean to be online buying and selling of goods And their options are e-commerce, DigiLocker, digital payment, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is e-commerce is mean to be online buying and selling of goods. And 29th question is easiest and convenient way for cashless payment is dash. And their options are digitalization, storage, offline, and the last one is digital payment. And the right answer is easiest and convenient way for cashless payment is digital payment. And 30th question is dash stores only those educational certificates issued by educational institute through digital mode, and their options are SWAYAM, NAD, MOOC, and the last one is DigiLocker. And the right answer is NAD store only those educational certificates issued by educational institute through digital mode. And 31st question is dash a type of e-commerce which involve company and customer. And their options are B2B, B2C, C2C, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is B2C is a type of e-commerce which involve company and customer. And 32nd question is the online services of a government is called dash, and their options are public welfare services, democracy services, e-governance, and the last one is internet services. And the right answer is the online services of government is called e-governance. And 33rd question is G2C stands for dash, and their options are government to employee, government to citizens, government to businessmen, and the last one is government to government. And the right answer is G2C stands for government to citizens. And 34th question is the modern form of e-governance service is called dash, and the options are e-business, e-commerce, e-services, and the last one is smart governance. And the right answer is the modern form of e-governance services is called smart governance. And 35th question is how many digits are there in Aadhaar card number? And their options are 14, 12, 16, and the last one is 10. And the right answer is 12 digits are there in Aadhaar card number. And 36th question is which one is the part of information system? And their options are database and procedures, network, hardware and software, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is all of these is the part of information system. And 37th question is dash tools allow us to select a drawing with a free hand, and their options are fuzzy selection, lasso, text, and the last one is bucket fill. And the right answer is lasso tool allow us to select a drawing with a free hand. And 38th question is Shift plus C is a shortcut for dash, and their options are to create duplicate image, to delete layer, to copy of an image, and the last one is to crop an image. And the right answer is Shift plus C is a shortcut for to crop an image. And 39th question is scale option is used to change the dash of an image, and the options are color, size, area, and the last one is all of the above. And the right answer is scale option is used to change the size of an image. And the 40th question is dash is known as group of sheets looking at each other, and their options are masking, tools, layers, and the last one is none of the above. And the right answer is layers is known as group of sheets looking at each other. And 41st question is dash helps to make a duplicate copy of the active layer, and their options are smudge tool, dodge tool, perspective tool, and the last one is duplicate layer. And the right answer is duplicate layer helps to make a duplicate copy of the active layer. And the 42nd question is in order for the computer to play audio files, different dash are required, and their options are video codec, audio codec, both A and B, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is in order for the computer to play audio files, different audio codecs are required. The 43rd question is dash format is a common audio format that is played extensively on electronic devices, and their options are WMB, AVI, MP3, and the last one is CDA. And the right answer is MP3 format is a common audio format that is played extensively on electronic devices. The 44th question is audio files are stored on the audio CD in dash format, and the options are FLV, AAC, MOV, and the last one is CDA. And the right answer is audio files are stored on the audio clip CD in CDA format. And the 45th question is the effect applied between two video clips is called dash, and the options are sound, video transition, and the last one is photo. And the right answer is the effect applied between two video clips is called video transition. The 46th question is the process of dividing the video into section is called dash, and the options are merging, splitting, compressing, and the last one is decompressing. And the right answer is the process of dividing the video into section is called splitting. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ fill in blank ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਅੰਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਵਨ ਹੈ dash and dash function used to find the minimum and maximum value in range, and the right answer is the min and max function is used to find the minimum and maximum value in range. Second one is filter option is available in dash tab of Excel, and the right answer is filter option is available in data tab of Excel. And the third question is if the cursor is placed at the end of the file, then dash button is pressed to delete the text. And the right answer is if the cursor is placed at the end of the file, then backspace button is pressed to delete the text. And the fourth one is two option of orientation for page setup are dash and dash, and the right answer is two option of orientation for page setup are portrait and landscape. The fifth one is dash symbol is used to start any formula in Excel calculation, and the right answer is equal symbol is used to start any formula in Excel calculation. Sixth one is in dash loop the control conditions are tested before the body of the loop. In pre-test loop the control conditions are tested before the body of the loop. And seventh one is in dash loop the control conditions are tested after the body of the loop. And the right answer is in post-test loop the control conditions are tested after the body of the loop. And the eighth one is dash statement is used to skip some statement inside the loop, and the right answer is continue statement is used to skip some statement inside the loop. Ninth one is dash is a multi-way conditional control statement, and the right answer is switch is a multi-way conditional control statement. And 10th one is the break statement can be used to eliminate a case in the dash statements, and the right answer is the break statement can be used to eliminate a case in the switch case statement. And the 11th one is artificial intelligence is divided into two types, dash and dash, and the answer is artificial intelligence is divided into two types, type 1 and type 2. 12th question is dash is a chess playing computer developed by IBM, and the right answer is Deep Blue is a chess playing computer developed by IBM. And 13th question is dash is a good example of narrow artificial intelligence, and the right answer is Apple Siri is a good example of narrow artificial intelligence. And the 14th question is dash machine have no memory, and the answer is machine learning machine have no memory. And 15th question is Mycin and dash are example of earlier expert system, and the right answer is Mycin and Dandrel are example of earlier expert system. And 16th one is dash generation robots are smart as humans, and the right answer is 4th generation robots are smart as human. And 17th one is the services and facility of e-governance is divided into dash parts, and the answer is the services and facility of e-governance is divided into 3 parts. And 18th question is dash gives a unique identity to Indian citizens, and their answer is Aadhaar number gives a unique identity to Indian citizens. 19th question is in Punjab at village level dash gives e-governance services. And the right answer is in Punjab at village level, Seva or Suvidha Kendra gives e-governance services. And 20th question is dash is used to solve difficult problems. And the right answer is expert system is used to solve difficult problems. And 21st one is smart card are symbol of dash. And the answer is smart cards are symbol of smart governance. And 22nd one is to resize the layer dash tool is used. And the right answer is to resize the layer scale tool is used. And 23rd one is to move the layer dash tool is used. And the right answer is to move the layer move tool is used. And 24th one is to remove object from canvas dash tool is used. And the answer is to remove object from canvas magic wand tool is used. 25th one is the quantity of picture decreases when the picture is dash. And the answer is the quality of the picture decreases when the picture is scaled. And 26th question is an important part of the image window is dash where the picture is shown. And the right answer is an important part of the image window is canvas where the picture is shown. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ very short answer type question ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ write the full form of WYSIWYG and the right answer is what you see is what you get. And second question is write the shortcut keys to move text in Word document. And the right answer is Ctrl plus X and Ctrl plus V. And third question is write the name of 4 types of alignments. And the right answer is left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify alignment. And the fourth question is which Excel function is used to continue content from different cells into one cell. And the right answer is concatenate. And fifth question is write the name of any two fonts that can be used to type in Punjabi language. And the answer is Anmol Lipi, Aziz, Joy, and the last one is Ravi font. The sixth question is writing if statement within another if it is called dash. And the answer is nested if. And seventh question is which statement in C programming are used for altering the normal flow of a program. And the right answer is branching control statement. And eighth question is which statement is sometimes desirable to skip some statement inside the loop. And the answer is continue statement. And the ninth question is which statement provides a way to repeat commands. And the right answer is go to statement. The 10th question is write the full form of UIDAI. And the right answer is Unique Identification Authority of India. And the 11th question is name any two information system. And your answer is Management Information System. And the second one is Decision Support System. The 12th question is write the name of different level of e-governance. And the answer is international, domestic, and national level. And 13th question is write the full form of G2G. And the answer is government to government. And the 14th question is write the full form of TPS. And the right answer is Transaction Processing System. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ full forms ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਅੰਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਹੈ UTP. UTP stand for Unshielded Twisted Pair. Number 2 FTP. FTP stand for File Transfer Protocol. Number 3 SMTP. SMTP stand for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Number 4 POP. POP stand for Post Office Protocol. Number 5 HTTP. HTTP stand for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Number 6 MAC. MAC stand for Media Access Control Address. Number 6 Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stand for Wireless Fidelity. Number 8 VR. VR stand for Virtual Reality. Number 9 IoT. IoT stand for Internet of Things. Number 10 IT. IT stand for Information Technology. Number 11 GPS. GPS stand for Global Positioning System. Number 12 AI. AI stand for Artificial Intelligence. Number 13 GAI. GAI stand for General Artificial Intelligence. Number 14, NLP. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. Number 15, SAI. SAI stands for Strong Artificial Intelligence. Number 16, GIF. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. Number 17, PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. Number 18 is TIFF. TIFF stands for Tag Image File Format. Number 19, JPG. JPG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. And 20th one is PSD. PSD stands for Photoshop Document. 21st one is BMP. BMP stands for Bitmap Picture. 22nd one is MP4. MP4 stands for Moving Picture Expert Group Level 4. 23rd one is MP3. MP3 stands for MPEG Audio Layer 3. 24th one is WMV. WMV stands for Windows Media Video. And 25th one is FLV. FLV stands for Flash Video. 26th one is AVI. AVI stands for Audio Video Interleave. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ true or false ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਅੰਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਵਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, The process of making a movie is divided into 5 stages. Wrong. Number 2, video editing works with only one video clip. Wrong. Number 3, merging a video means splitting the clip into several parts. Wrong. Fourth one is, it is advisable to save the project before starting the process of exporting video file. Right. Fifth one is, MPEG-4 video format uses different compression for audio and video tracks. Right. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ short answer type question ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 4 ਅੰਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਫਰਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, what is Excel? And the answer is, Microsoft Excel is a powerful electronic spreadsheet program that lets you store data, perform calculation, draw conclusion, create graphs, report data that looks like a professional, publish data on a website, and access real-time data and facilitate access. Question number 2 is, explain formatting in detail. And the answer is, formatting text means changing the style of the font, in which we can change the appearance of the text by formatting, increasing and decreasing the font size, changing the color of the text, bolding the text, italicizing, underlining, etc. And the third question is, explain print and print preview option. And the answer is, print preview is a feature that indicates how a document will look before it is printed on a paper. With the print command, we can print document by setting the printer selection, paper size, page orientation, etc. And the fourth question is, what are formulas in MS Excel? And the answer is, in MS Excel, we can use formulas to calculate school result, grading, and student fees, etc. The formula always start with the equal sign. So examples or formulas are, number 1, equal to D12 plus D13, equal to A4 minus A5, equal to C5 plus D6 into E2. And the fifth question is, what do you know about the formula bar in Excel? And the answer is, formula bar is one of the most important components of MS Excel. The formula bar is located at the top of the Excel window and at the bottom of the ribbon. The formula bar has 2 parts. The first part is the name box, which represents the address of the cell, and the second part is the function, which represents the type data over formula. And the sixth question is, what are margins? And the answer is, a margin is the space between text and the edge of a document. The margin of a new document is set to normal and it has 4 parts: top margin, bottom margin, left margin, and the right margin. The document defines these 4 margins as 1 inch, which we can change to suit our needs. And seventh question is, define branching. Name the different control statement. And the answer is, statement who select one branch or another during the course of a program are called a branching statement. These statements are used for decision making or to choose from more than one. So the Branching statement is further subdivided into two parts. The first one is conditional control statement and second one is multi-way conditional control statement. Eighth question is what is looping? Name three different types of looping statement. And the answer is looping statement are also called iterative statement. There may be situation in program when we need to execute a block of statement multiple times. In such cases, the loop provides us with a way to repeat the statement, and they also control how often the statement will be repeated. So the different type of looping statement are: the first one is for loop, second one is while loop, and third one is do while loop. Now the ninth question is what is nested if statement? Write it syntax. So when a statement block of another if condition or a statement block of another if else condition is used, it is called as nested if statement. In this way, we can say that the block of internal statement will work when the condition of the external statement and the condition of the internal statement should be correct. The syntax of nested statement is if left parenthesis expression or condition 1, close the right parenthesis, then left brace, then execute when condition 1 is true. If expression or condition 2, left brace, block 1 of statement and close both the braces. And the question number 10 is what is if-else statement? Write a program of if-else statement. And the answer is we can also control the status of execution of a statement through if-else statement. When we have to make a decision based on two or more conditions or get a program to do something special, we use the if-else statement. In this case, if the if condition proves to be correct, the if block is applied and the else section is omitted. And in case of misrepresentation of the statement, only the else section has to be applied. So there is the program. So the 11th question is what is while statement? Write its syntax. And the answer is while loop is a pre-test loop, and this loop can be used to repeat a statement over and over again. Only the test condition is defined in the while loop. The initial part of the loop is defined before the while loop, and the step size of the loop is declared inside the while loop. In while loop, statement get executed as long as condition is true. The syntax of while loop is variable declaration, then variable initialization, then while, test condition, the left brace, then statement block, then step size, then close the body of the while loop. And the 12th question is what is information technology? And the answer is information technology is an area in which computer or other physical components such as hardware and software are used to create, process, store, and exchange information. So information technology encompasses all type of technology such as commercial data, voice, conversation, photos, motion pictures, multimedia, presentation, information creation, storage, conversation, and use. 13th question is give name of any 4 current trend in information technology, and the answer is name of the 4 current trend in information technology are: the first one is GPS technology, second one is Wi-Fi technology, third one is Bluetooth technology, and fourth one is e-commerce, fifth one is m-commerce. The 14th question is define Bluetooth technology, and the answer is Bluetooth is a wireless local area network technology that allows all type of media files to be sent or received wirelessly via Bluetooth. This technology is used to transmit information over short distances in phone, laptop, personal computer, printer, digital camera, mobile phone, webcam, GPS, car, keyboard, mice, etc. The 15th question is define GPS technology, and the answer is the full name of GPS is Global Positioning System, and one GPS is available in every smartphone. GPS technology is used to find the geographical location of any place or location, and it is global navigation satellite system. It can be used to find the distance or route of any two places, and is also used to locate or map out nearby institution, hotel, offices, etc. And 16th question is define multimedia technology. And the answer is multimedia includes all the technology that help create or display multimedia content, combining images, audio, video, and text into a single application software. Multimedia technology include those interactive computer-based applications that allow people to exchange information in digital and print media. 17th question is define 5G technology, and the answer is 5G is the next generation wireless technology which is many times better than 3G and 4G. The 5G mobile network will connect people as well as connect and control machine and devices. The 5G network can be up to 100 times faster than 4G, and it can transmit data at speed of up to 20 gigabit per second over a wireless broadband connection. With the help of 5G, one movie can be downloaded in 1 minute. The 18th question is what is artificial intelligence? And the answer is artificial intelligence means artificially developing intellectual ability. The term artificial intelligence is made up of two different words, artificial plus intelligence. Artificial means that which is not natural but artificial, and man-made. Intelligence means intelligence, the ability to understand, acquire, and apply knowledge, principle, truth, fact, or meanings, and it refers to the ability to learn and understand. 19th question is what are the types and subtypes of AI? Depict them with the help of diagram. And the answer is, so type of artificial intelligence is, so there are two types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is further divided into three parts. The first one is narrow AI, second one is general AI, and third one is strong AI. Similarly, in the type 2, it is further subdivided into four categories. The first one is reactive machine, second one is limited memory, third one is theory of mind, and fourth one is self-awareness. And 20th question is what do you mean by expert system? Give example of expert system. And the answer is an expert system is a computer program designed to provide the ability to solve a complex problem and make decisions like a human expert. It makes decisions using logic based on logic and inference rule according to the user queries. Common example of an expert system is Dendral and Mycin. And 21st question is what is the difference between human system and expert system? And the answer is difference between human system and expert system are, the first one is efficiency of the human system decreases with time, whereas the efficiency of the expert system is permanent. Second one is in the human system the results are not predictable, whereas in the expert system the results are consistent. And the third one is the human system is difficult to transfer, while the expert system can be easily transferred. The fourth one is human expert are expensive, whereas expert system is cheaper than human expert. The 22nd question is summarize about some computer languages used in the field of AI. And the answer is some of the computer languages used in the field of AI. The first one is Lisp. Lisp is a very old and AI-compatible language for the development of artificial intelligence. It was developed in 1958 by John McCarthy, the father of artificial intelligence. Second one is Java. Java can also be considered a good option for the development of artificial intelligence. Java uses search algorithm, artificial neural network, and genetic programming. And third one is R. This language is a good choice for statistical analysis. And 23rd question is what is digitization? And the answer is digitization is the process of converting information into a digital medium that is computer readable and computer manageable, through which information is stored in bits. Digitization allows images, document, audio, video, etc. to be converted to digital medium through various computer devices. 24th question is describe net banking, and the answer is net banking is also called internet banking. After availing the facility of net banking, the customer can transfer money from home to his bank account, pay bills, transfer money to another account, and view his bank account statement, etc. A unique username and password for the use of net banking is issued to the user after the customer goes to the bank and fills in the application form to avail the facility of net banking. And 25th question is, what do you mean by e-commerce? And the answer is, e-commerce is also called e-commerce or internet commerce. E-commerce means buying or selling goods on the internet using services, making money, etc. This facility has given a new direction to the business, and the business has flourished. Example of website for buying or selling product under e-commerce are Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, OLX, Quikr, etc. And 26th question is, name types of e-commerce. And your answer is, the first one is business to business, second one is business to consumer, third one is consumer to consumer, fourth one is consumer to business. And 27th question is, write down the benefit of online payment. And the answer is, the benefit of online payment are, the first one is easy and convenient, second one is money transaction anytime and anywhere, third one is saving with digital payment. And 28th question is, describe DigiLocker. And the answer is, DigiLocker helps eliminate the use of paper document and enables the sharing of e-document between government agency through an enhancement for online authentication of document. DigiLocker provides access to authentic virtual document. It is a digital document vault where you can store your documents such as driving license, PAN card, voter ID, policy document, etc. You can also upload documents and keep them safe when you sign up for a DigiLocker account. 28th question is, what is e-learning? And the answer is, e-learning, also known as online learning or electronic learning, is the acquisition of knowledge through electronic technologies and media. E-learning is taught electronically. E-learning is conducted on the internet where students can access their learning material online at any place and time. E-learning is often in the form of online course, online degree or online programs. And the 30th question is, what is digital or online payment? And the answer is, online payment are also called digital or e-payment or electronic payment. This is an easy and fast way to make cashless payment in which payment are made through digital medium. Both the payer and the receiver use digital media. Money transfer, purchase of goods, mobile or dish recharge, payment of electricity, water or mobile bills, etc. can be done easily and quickly through digital payment. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ 6 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, what a network device, describe any 3 network devices. So the answer is, a network device is the hardware used to build a network. This network can be a small network used in a home or office or a large network used in large buildings. Different type of network devices are, the first one is hub. A hub is a networking device that transmits data to each computer or connected Ethernet-based device. When a computer in a network requests a particular computer for information, the hub receives that request and sends it to the main computer. The hub performs the task of duplicating data packets received from a single port, making them available on group ports and allowing data sharing between group devices connected to it. Second one is switch. A switch is a device that transfers data packet between many network devices such as computer, router, server or other switches. The switch contains a buffer which increases the efficiency and performance of the switch. The switch can also check for any error before forwarding the data, and this feature makes it very effective as it does not forward the packet that contain errors but only sends the correct packet to the correct port. Third one is repeater. A router or a repeater is a hardware device that acts as a network gateway in a network and is responsible for the flow of data in a network and the connection of the network to the internet. A router is a switch-like device that sends data packet to a network based on their internet protocol address. A router is primarily a network layer device. And second question is, what is unguided media? Write any 2 media. And the answer is, In unguided media, signals are sent independently in group direction without the use of cables. Unguided media transfer data using electromagnetic waves without the use of physical conductors. Unguided media communication is a data signal that flows through the air. These media are not categorized for adoption or guidance by any channel. These are categorized by type of wave propagation. The type of unguided media, the first one is infrared. Infrared is a type of wireless mobile technology used to communicate over a small area. The major drawback of infrared communication is that it operates according to the line of sight principle and its transmission range is limited, due to which its signal cannot cross any wall in its path. Infrared cannot be used for long distance communication as its use is limited to enclosed spaces. The use of infrared does not require government approval. And second one is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a type of radio communication technology that enable a low power and short distance wireless networking between phones, computer and other network devices. The process used to connect two Bluetooth devices is called pairing. Personal computer and other devices can be connected using a Bluetooth dongle. Bluetooth network use a dynamic topology called Piconet. Signals sent via Bluetooth can transmit up to 30 feet. Third one is Wi-Fi. The full name of Wi-Fi is Wireless Fidelity and it is called Wireless Local Area Network. Wi-Fi enable local area network to operate without cables and wiring. Using Wi-Fi, we can exchange information between two or more devices connected to the same network. Wi-Fi is designed for mobile computing devices but is now used in electronics such as television, DVD players and even digital cameras. And third question is, what is twisted pair cable? Define its advantages and disadvantages. And the answer is, twisted pair cabling consists of two different insulated copper wires, and these two wires appear to be wrapped around each other. One wire in each pair is used for data transfer and the other wire for earthing. These two insulated copper wires are twisted around each other to reduce crosstalk between the wires. The wire is flexible and can easily connect to any device. This cable can transfer data up to a distance of 1 kilometer or more with the speed of 1 to 2 megabit per second. The shorter the distance of this cable, the higher the speed of data transfer. So the advantages of twisted pair cable are, the first one is, these cable can be used for both analog and digital transmission. Number two, these distances are cheaper for shorter distances. Third one is, if any part of the network is damaged, the entire network is not down. Disadvantages of twisted pair cable are, the first one is, the signal cannot travel long distances without the use of repeaters. Second one is, the error rate is higher at a distance of more than 100 meters. Third one is, very thin wire break easily. So this wire is not suitable for broadband connection. The fourth question is, what is fiber optical cable? Define its advantages and disadvantages. So the answer is, this cable is made up of thousands of thin fiber of glass. One fiber of each glass is as thin as a thread through which light can be transferred. In it, a ray of light is sent at a speed of 1 million bits per second. A fiber cable can transmit a few television signals and thousands of telephone line signals. The size and weight of this cable is less than that of a coaxial cable, and the data transfer rate is also 10 times higher than that of a coaxial cable. The advantages of fiber optic cables are, the first one is, a single mode fiber can be used in place of large and heavy copper wire. Second one is, suitable for high bandwidth, industrial and busy area. Third one is, it does not weaken data signal and can be sent over long distances. And the disadvantages of fiber optical cable are, the first one is, optical fiber cable is expensive, and the second one is, optical fiber cable has to be polished so that light can be sent with little damage. Third one is, light waves are unidirectional, so full duplex communication required two frequencies. The fifth question is, what is communication mode? Define its types. And the answer is, The process of transferring data or information between two devices connected to a network is called communication mode. They also indicate the direction of signal flow between connected devices. So there are three types of communication mode. The first one is simplex mode. In simplex, the transmission of data in one direction means notification can only go in one direction and the signal cannot be sent back to the sender due to one-way traffic. Only one of the two connected devices can transfer data and the other device can receive data. And its example are keyboard, mouse, and television. And the second one is half duplex mode. In half duplex mode, the data is transmitted between two devices means both the sender and the receiver can send data to each other, but the data can be sent in the same direction at the same time. This transmission is used when data transmission is not required at the same time, and its example is walkie-talkie. The third one is full duplex. In full duplex mode, sender and the receiver can transmit data simultaneously through full duplex. In a full duplex, the data transmission capability is divided into two parts so that both can transmit data. And the sixth question is, what do you mean by e-governance? Define its working system. And the answer is, the full name of e-governance is electronic governance. E-governance is concerned with the effective implementation and consolidation of government policies, orders, and services. E-governance is when the government works online. It provides online services to the citizen at their fingertips. In other words, e-governance means the availability of government services online. The progress of a country today depends on the use of e-governance in that country. So the e-governance process is divided into 5 sections. The first one is government to government. This type of e-governance includes online services in which the central government and the state government share data and information with each other. Government agency, department, and agency come under government to government. E-governance by improving communication, data access, and information sharing. Second one is government to citizen. In this form of e-governance, the government provides services and facility to its citizens and communicate with each other. In it, the government provides services that relate directly to the public, and these services are provided free of charge or at minimal cost. And third one is government to business. This type of e-governance includes the facility provided by the government to the business. Through these services, the government and trade association communicate with each other. Services such as online sales and purchase of goods, taxes on goods for business, and subsidies are provided to businesses by the government. And fourth one is government to employees. This type of e-governance includes the services and the facility that exist between the government and its employees. Employees pay bills, their service record, departmental transfer, and many other employees-related records are kept online by the government. Fifth one is government to non-governmental organization. Through this new service of e-governance, governmental and non-governmental organizations can communicate with each other. This section covers the services through which the government certifies these NGOs. The registration of these NGOs or society falls under this section. And seventh question is, what are the benefit and limitation of e-governance? And the answer is, benefit of e-governance are, the first one is easy access. E-governance online services can be availed by every citizen at their home or near service or Suvidha Kendra, including those related to applying for Aadhaar card, PAN card, or passport, etc. The second one is establishing close relationship. With all the facility and services being provided close to home, close ties are established between the common man and the government. Third one is time saving. With the advent of e-governance, the tasks which used to take several days are completed in a few hours, which saves a lot of people's time. Fourth one is save money. E-governance saves a lot of money on document cost, consumer transport fare, and the government has to use less manpower. Fifth one is transparency. E-governance has provided a transparent environment to the working style of all the offices with which anyone can check the status of their payment or application online. Sixth one is accountability. Due to the transparency in government affairs, responsible officials are held accountable. If an officer or employee intentionally delays work, he or she will be held accountable. Disadvantages of e-governance are: the first one is not everyone can avail the benefit. Due to illiteracy and lack of knowledge about computers and mobile phones, most of the population of India are not able to avail the online facility and service provided by the government. Second one is must have internet access. So e-governance can be properly implemented only if internet access is available to every citizen. Third one is lack of knowledge about online services and facilities. Most of the population of India lives in villages and they do not even know what services and facilities can be availed online under e-governance. Number 4. Excessive expenditure on e-governance arrangement. In order to provide e-services to the people, the government has to spend huge amount of its management. Fifth one is insecurity of the internet. Insecurity of the internet and keeping the confidential information available in it safe and preventing it from being misused by the hacker is also a big challenge. The eighth question is what is Aadhaar card? Describe its characteristics. And the answer is Aadhaar is a unique 12-digit identity card issued to Indian citizens by the Unique Identification Authority of India. Every person's Aadhaar number in India is unique, which cannot match any person's Aadhaar. This number is issued after examining the important document of the citizens of India. The Aadhaar card stores two types of information for each citizen, which store the first birth-based or personal information and the second biometric information, which contains fingerprints, retina of the eyes, and a picture of the person. So features of Aadhaar card are: the first one is unique identity. Every Indian citizen is issued a unique Aadhaar number indicating its uniqueness. Second one is residence document. The complete address of residence of the person concerned is recorded in the Aadhaar card. And the third one is no expiration date. Aadhaar card is issued for life. It has no expiration date. Fourth one is identity proof. Aadhaar card contains birth-based and biometric information of the person, so it can be used as identification proof. Fifth one is online authentication. Authentication is done by Aadhaar card number only for availing various online services which is matched with the beneficiary data, and this process is called Aadhaar seeding or Aadhaar mapping. And the ninth question is write down the list of services provided by Seva or Suvidha Kendra, and the answer is the list of services provided by Seva or Suvidha Kendra is as under. The first one is issuance of residence certificate. Number 2, issuance of caste certificate. Number 3, issuance of birth and death certificate. Fourth one is issuance of Aadhaar card. Number 5th is issuance of income certificate. Number 6 is issuance of certificate of religion. Number 7 is issue copy of registry mutation. Number 8, submitting online electricity, telephone and various other fees or bills. Number 9, issuance of vehicle registration certificate. Number 10 is filling up old age or widow pension forms. Number 11, issuance of driving license certificate.